Hello folks, welcome back to another video on the Fishing with LJ channel. I'm LJ, and so my GoPro was not working yesterday, so I'm doing the intro the next day, and I'm also doing the outro most likely today too sometime. So sorry about that, but we have a banger for you guys today. So there's gonna be two-part video, so if it switches to another lake, I'm sorry. I'm not good at editing right now. I will get there. So if you guys would give me motivation, like, subscribe, and comment. What fishing challenge should I do? So like, comment, share this video, and we'll see you guys out in the lake. Oh, he's under. Hey, if you can bring me to him, I'll grab him.
You gotta bring that branch up.
I know, I'm... If I can get a hand in this.
You got extra. You can let go of your right hand. Well, you can do whatever you want. Go ahead. He's wrapped several all the way around. If you could take them off, that'd be probably the best, but he completely got wrapped around.
Oh, Dad.
Yeah.
Boys. This fish. Holy bass.
My june bug's going.
It's fine, we got more.
I need pliers.
We're here.
It's all structure, Lynn. That's what it is. We're all sitting on structure. Waiting for something big to... You better hear it. Snap a picture yourself.
Hang on. Oh, the scale's broken.
Is it?
Darn.
Not working.
I call her 3.
She might go bigger than that. She might go 3.5. That's all right. 3 pounds works for me. You have a picture? Oh yeah, I gotta get a picture of you. Hold it out a little farther. All right. There, grab it. Grab it.
Look at the fishies.
Yeah, he's probably only 3 years.
Perfect. Let her go. There she goes. That's fishing. Set the GoPro right up there. Perfect. Nice. Let's go.
Hey, the big one's ready. If she's around, she wanted that. She thudded it.
Did she?
Thudded it, yeah. As soon as I tossed it over there, it was dunk. And I'm like, oh, how am I gonna pull this off?
Haha.
Because all I see is the damn sticks, and I'm like, man.
Yeah, well, cause I was gonna reach in there and try to grab her mouth.
I know.
And then take the hook out, and then like we just did.
You did, yeah. And after I seen how many times it was wrapped, I'm like, there ain't no getting around.
It's amazing. He wanted to break you off.
Yeah, he did. That's why he wrapped it.
Mm-hmm.
They're not though. I'm just playing it. That's all.
just mom. That's a fish. That's a small one. Yay, little dink. I love my little dinks.
You know what those lures or those worms catch?
I'm the dink master, baby. Oh, he barely hooked. Dink master here. There he goes. All right, I mean, my day's complete. I caught a fish. Don't care. I didn't care how big. Now I have adrenaline. I seen him run with it, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's a fish.
Good identification. You're identifying these things.
Why is the line moving to my right? You sure you can turn around?
Let's stick your nose in there. That's the damn thing.
2 videos at Seminole Lake. So on YouTube, what you could do is you could do like a short, like a 30-second clip. I wonder if I'm gonna do that too, or I might post this video this weekend. Cause I posted one. That's a fish. It's a gar. That's crazy.
Well, it's more of a live. That sucks.
June bug gone. I have pliers right here. Well, if you just use the pliers and unhook them, then. Oh, he's a bigger one too.
Yeah. Good size.
I hate anything like catfish in this.
Broke off.
There's. I only have 20.
That's fine. Do you usually run?
I normally run 15. Alright, this will not be the end of this lake, actually. Because I could probably come here and ride my bike here in the morning. And fish topwater, get some topwater blow-ups for you guys. Root there. I stuck one. I stuck him, boys. Let's go. Dad! Let's go, baby. Stuck him. Oh, these got sharp teeth. Holy, that hurts. Nice fish. Let's probably say close to a 2-pounder. She's nice. She's pretty. These fish are insane. We're gonna let her go. There's pretty girl goes. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's what you call bass fishing. I felt her. I set the hook, and yes, sir. We did not get skunked to the new spot. We will definitely be back here in later times. So we can get one more before we leave. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not today, but definitely give her a shot. That's what a bass. He cut me too. Oh, I'm pumped about that. Nice 2-pounder. So we caught a half-pounder. That caught a 3, and we at 5. So ooh, that was a fish. No, all right, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Mr. Dino was not lying about the never caught one on a blue worm before. She's a big girl.